They say cooking is a labor of love, and I believe that. Every slice, every stir, every simmer, it's not just about feeding the body, it's about nourishing the soul, it's about intention. Every time I step into the kitchen, I'm reminded that love doesn't always come in grand gestures. Sometimes, it's in the slow stir of a pot, the careful seasoning, the patience to wait until it's just right. And isn't that what work is too? Whether you're behind a desk, on your feet all day, or serving others in ways they may never fully see, there is love in that labor. There is dignity in doing. We often think of our careers as a means to an end. A paycheck, a title, a ladder to climb. But what if it's more than that? What if our work is a reflection of who we are, of what we believe? In cooking, you learn that timing matters, that rushing ruins the flavor, that the best meals are built slowly, layer by layer, just like a career and just like life. There are days when the kitchen feels like a sanctuary, a place where I can be present, where I can create something beautiful out of the ordinary. And then there are days when it feels like a grind. But even then, there's purpose in the repetition, in showing up. I think about my parents, my mentors, the people who taught me that hard work is a form of love. That excellence isn't about perfection, it's about care. It's about consistency, about doing the small things well. And when I cook, I carry that with me. I carry the stories, the sacrifices, the quiet strength of those who came before me. I cook not just to feed, but to honor. So whether you're watching this from your break room, your kitchen, or your office, know this: your work matters, your efforts matters. And when you pour your heart into what you do, it shows, just like a good meal. Cooking reminds me that love is an action, that purpose is built, not found, and that sometimes the most meaningful things we do are the ones no one sees, but everyone feels. There is beauty in the mundane, in chopping onions, in folding the dough, in showing up every day to do what needs to be done. Because love isn't loud, it's consistent, it's quiet, it's in the details. When I cook, I think about the people I'm feeding, their stories, their struggles, their joys, and that's no different from work. Whether we realize it or not, our jobs touch lives and our efforts matters. So today, as I cook, I honor the work, the labor, the love. I honor the hands that taught me, the lessons that shaped me, and the journey that continues to unfold. Because cooking isn't just about food. It's about care. It's about crafts. And it's about showing up with heart in everything that we do. So here's to the labor of love, to the work that feeds others in every sense of the word.